Hey, what's up guys, my name is Nick from Exploit Theory and today I'm going to show you how to get out of the map and swim in the air on Ratchet Clank. So to do this glitch you'll need a couple of gadgets. You'll need the Hydro Pack and you'll also need the O2 mask. If you've got these you can load up into the map and head towards where I'm at. Once you're here we're going to jump out and head towards this little island. We're now going to jump into the water and dive down. You're going to want to follow exactly where I go and keep diving into the floor where you can. You want to head towards this rock here and get underneath the slant. Now the big fish that was trying to chase you should leave you alone and you're going to want to follow the big rock around. Once you go past this part where there's a rock on the right, you want to start looking up and you should see an island. It's now safe to swim up to this island. And you can climb onto it. You'll notice there's a barrier here at the edge, so you want to swim underneath that barrier.
You've got enough bolts to buy a proton drum.
You're now fully outside of the map and free to explore. If you head towards the island where I'm going, you can actually walk on it and explore it. Where I'm going now is I'm heading towards the edge of where the water texture is. It's actually faster to move around if you go to this island and use your thruster pack to boost forward. Now we're getting close to the edge, so I'm going to jump back into the water and I'm going to dive down. All we have to do now is swim out the side of the water and we're now swimming in air. Now you have to fly quite high or else the barrier above the map which pulls you back down will pull you down. Once you're above this barrier you're free to swim above the rest of the map, so have fun exploring. As always, this glitch was found by us here at Exploit Theory. If you've liked the video at all, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button. We actually really appreciate it when you subscribe, and I'm going to leave you with some out the map footage.